Today, I'm going to show you how to automate your due dates on Monday.com so you never have to manually update them again. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a smart workflow that handles deadlines for you, saving time, reducing human error, and keeping your projects running smoothly. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to set up your board with the correct columns. Make sure you have a status column. This will act as the trigger for your automation. Think of this as the light switch that tells your board when to act. Next, add a date column. This will store your due dates. It's important to keep this column clear and labeled because this is where all the automated action is going to land. Now, moving on to the magic, setting up the automation. To get started, find the Automate button at the top right corner of your Monday.com board. It's always visible, just waiting to help lighten your workload. Give that button a click and a menu will pop up, showing you various automation options. For this workflow, you'll want Custom Automations. This gives you the flexibility to tailor the process to fit exactly what you need, instead of relying on preset recipes. Within Custom Automations, look for the recipe called When Status Changes to X, Set Date to Today and Push by X Days. This is a powerful little command. Basically, it tells Monday.com, when something gets started, move our due date forward by a set number of days. For example, if you want a due date to always be 5 days after a task moves to In Progress, this is where you set that up. Now, you'll see a couple of grayed out fields in the recipe. These are waiting for your input, so just click on them to edit. In the field that says When Status Changes to, choose the specific status you want to trigger the automation. Maybe you pick In Progress or Started, whatever fits your workflow best. This choice is crucial because it dictates when your board starts calculating the new due date. If you're not sure what status to pick, think about where in your process deadlines matter most. For instance, in a content calendar, you might want the due date to push forward as soon as a draft moves from planning to editing. Next, set up how many days the date should push forward when the trigger activates. Click the Set Date to Today and Push By box and type in the number of days you want added to today's date. Maybe you want tasks to be due 2 days after they're started, or maybe a full week. Just enter the number that works for you. Don't worry if you're not sure at first. You can always come back and adjust this later as you refine your workflow. After you've filled out those fields, double-check your choices to make sure it all makes sense. A good tip here, run a quick test by changing a status on one of your tasks and see if the due date updates automatically. If it does, you're all set. If not, revisit the settings and tweak them until it clicks. And that's it. You've built a smart automation that will keep your deadlines on track without any extra effort. This small change can have a big impact, freeing you up to focus on what's important instead of repetitive data entry. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and click the like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Monday.com automations. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical workflows and tips just like this. Happy automating!